So a new Fairphone is on the horizon. It is coming to replace the Fairphone phone, which will be 2 years old in September. A mandate will illegally created by the company itself before being approved by someone who shares them with Android authority. So the broad strokes are the same with rounded sides and a triangular camera oscillate on the back, and while we don't have anything in the way of space yet, it is clear that the display was the focal point of the upgrades. The first thing to notice is that the front camera is now inside a small poncho rather than the old-fashioned notch of the Mark IV. Even better, the bezels are slimmer, a badly interchanged. Despite having only 6.3-inch display, the Fairphone phone was the same size as the Galaxy S21 Plus. The fingerprint reader is still mounted on the side, which suggests that we are looking at another LCD. Though it is dimension and resolution are incongruent, going around the back, the camera oscillate is mostly the same. Besides tweaks to the shape of the LED flash, there are still only 2 camera models plus a 3D ToF sensor. The more interesting part is what is behind the back panel. So Fairphone is rid of a Europe 2027 target and has a user replaceable battery right now. The Fairphone 5 will have one as well. Fairphone will strap a nothing toys or beat with the transfer version of its phone. Even tough, there are no LEDs. Fairphone has not set an official date for its next smartphone yet, but it should be soon if this is a final design. So take care.